For many years, men had tried to feed themselves and others by hunting. This was very difficult, not always reliable, and many times very dangerous. Many then tried a more reliable form of getting food. They grew their food or farmed it. One of the most essential tools used in farming is the plow. The steel plow was invented by John Deere in 1837. It was invented to make lives of farmers around the country easier. Previously, these farmers had been using cast iron or wood plows. Cast iron and wood were difficult to use for many farmers. Wood plows would break easily and were not sharp. Cast iron plows would rust easily and were more well suited for the soft soil areas and could not break into harder or clay soils. The invention of the steel plow made farming much less of a pain. Steel plows were very sturdy, did not rust, and were very easy to clean. One of the major advantages is that its long roots were able to dig deep into soil, which made it easier to cut through the tough soils in New England and the clay lands in the West. As this made the farmers' lives a little easier, many felt that they could plow more and more land. This involved getting more land to plow. In order to get this land, the farmers needed to chop down many trees. The chopping down of trees eliminated a natural barrier for wind, for runoff waters, and resulted in less oxygen in the environment and converted natural lands into farmlands. While farmers believed that they could plow more, that meant that a lot of land would get over-farmed and over-plowed. That could lead to the displacement of grasses. And the grasses are what keeps the soil in place. Soil out of place could lead to disaster. In times of drought, when the soil flied around, it led to a dust bowl like the one in the 1930s. When there was rain, it led to water and soil running through and making mudslides. Though steel plows were a helpful tool for farmers around the country, there were many unintended results in the environment. They led to dust and other problems in the environment. Nonetheless, they made farming quicker and easier, which were obvious advantages.